Hello everyone. Today, we're diving back into the world of palm oil extraction. If you're looking to boost your production efficiency and increase crude palm oil output, a palm oil presser is a must-have. Even if you don't invest in other equipment, just one palm oil press can make a huge difference. Previously, we mentioned that palm oil presses come in two types, single screw and double screw. But what's the difference? And how do you choose the right one? Let's break it down. 1. Production capacity. The single screw type has a smaller output, with only one model available at 500 kilograms hour. On the other hand, the double screw type offers 4 models: 1 ton hour, 5 tons hour, 10 tons hour, and 15 tons hour. 2. Automation level. The double screw type is more automated. It comes with a hydraulic pump station that automatically adjusts the pressing chamber pressure, enabling continuous production. It's suitable for production lines of various scales. The single screw type, however, requires manual pressure adjustment and is better suited for small-scale or home-based production. 3. Design differences. The single screw type has a simpler design and lower production cost, which is why many manufacturers sell it. While they may look similar, I recommend checking for successful case studies before buying to avoid being misled. Some manufacturers even market regular single-screw oil presses for other oilseeds, but these are visibly different from palm oil presses. The double screw type, with its 2 counter-rotating screws, is more technically advanced and only produced by specialized manufacturers. 4. Power options. The single screw type offers 2 power options: electric motor or diesel engine, making it a good choice for areas with unstable electricity. The double screw type, however, only comes with an electric motor, which is more powerful and delivers higher pressure. 5. Residual oil rate. The single screw type has a higher residual oil rate due to manual pressure adjustment, which depends on the operator's skill. The double screw type, with its automatic pressure adjustment, ensures more uniform pressing, better oil yield, and lower residual oil rates. So, which one should you choose? If your production volume is small, a single screw palm oil presser can improve your manual pressing efficiency. But if your volume is larger, and you plan to expand into a production line, go for the double screw type. It can be directly integrated into the production line, saving you money in the long run. That's it for today. In the next video, I'll explain the setup of a semi-automatic palm oil production line. If you're interested, don't forget to follow. See you next time. Bye.